are you feeling?
I cannot decide if I'm feeling happy or I'm nervous because Hilux is such a huge vehicle and अब हम उसको बेसमेंट में मल्टीप्लेक्स कॉम्प्लेक्स के पार्किंग्स में
हम इसे एक गाड़ी नॉर्मल कार की तरह चलाते जा रहे हैं.
People are so shocked, even the watchman is कि क्या लेके आ गए.
ट्रक चला रहे हैं.
वही
पार्क करके दिखाते हैं.
So we have parked it. Just look at the length. It goes all the way beyond the parking line.
क्या हुआ यार? How's the vehicle? अभी बैठी भी नहीं हो.
बस ये ब्लॉग में जाने वाला है. खुल क्यों नहीं रहा? रुक जा, बंद कर.
तुमसे कुछ हो रहा है? दो.
रुक जाओ.
फटाफट दो.
तोड़ना.
अनुष्का ने फिगर आउट किया है. शाबाश.
ये टूटेगा तो नहीं?
आज देखना सब काम हो गए टाइम पे. आज हम लोगों को बाहर भी जाना है. आज हम लोग टाइम पे सुबह उठ भी गए हैं.
So this is what happens जब कोई अच्छी कार आई होती है. सारा मोटिवेशन आ जाता है जिम जाने का, सुबह सुबह जल्दी उठने का. एंड वी जस्ट कीप ड्राइविंग.
हो गई है एंड आज हम लोग रिव्यू पे निकल गए. इसको लेने आए हैं. इसकी शक्ल बनी हुई है ऑलरेडी.
ये पक्का नहाया नहीं है.
हाँ.
सही दिख रहा है. वो है
सुबह कितना आवाज कर रही है गाड़ी.
अरे तुम
अरे हम
आओ.
तो PDI वाले आदत है.
नहीं ना आया ना, सच बताना.
सिर्फ मुंह साफ करके आ गया, हाथ मुंह साफ करके
कितने बजे उठे थे?
ब्रश किया. मैं सोचूं 7:30 का टाइम था जाने का. ऐसे थोड़ी ऐसे आंख खुली तो कुछ ज्यादा नींद मिल गई आज. फिर मैं देखा 8:30 हो गए थे. आज ही था. 2 मिनट में सोचा कि और सो जाता हूँ. फिर वो नहीं, काम करना चाहिए. कल 31 है, फिर काम सीधा अगले साल होगा.
कल तो तेरे पता नहीं क्या क्या प्लान्स.
नहीं मैं
अरे इसके तो है ही ना प्लान.
कोई प्लान नहीं है मेरा.
इसकी
मित्रों.
तीसरी बीवी भी चौथी तीसरी.
क्या तीसरी चौथी लगा के रखा है? कोई नहीं है मेरी.
Welcome to Rapbuzz. Today we have Avi and
Hilux.
Arnav with us with the Hilux. So let's get started.
In the front, we have LED projector headlights and LED fog lights. I believe the fog light should have been yellow because ये fog में issue देता है. Also, you are seeing these reflector stickers over here. Does anyone know the reason? It's for safety. All trucks, this is a truck, are mandated to have these reflector stickers. So they are from factory. We have not installed them. All Hiluxes come like that. Also, I have seen few Hiluxes with this chrome treatment in black and that looks super nice. जो भी Hilux लो इसको करवा देना black.
So when you see the side profile of the vehicle, you can see that it's a huge vehicle. The wheelbase happens to be 3085 mm. The tires are not all-terrain tires. These are the exact tires that you get in the Fortuner. And the tire size happens to be 265/60 R18. 4x2 Fortuner को भी all-terrain tires मिलते हैं. I don't know इसको क्यों नहीं मिलता. Then you get the footsteps over here to of course climb the huge vehicle. So you get the leaf spring suspension setup over here so that you can carry heavy loads because at the end of the day it's a truck.
So this is the rear profile of the Hilux, and as you can see, these reflective stickers are present on the back as well, and you get a metal bumper over here. Isn't that really cool? Let me show you more. So this canopy is a part of accessory, so you can get it installed, and this is how the tailgate opens. In the newer version of the Hilux, you get hydraulic setup over here, so that ये जो weight लगता है to open it and close it, that is reduced and it can be done easily. Now I'll climb in and show you. So a must-have accessory is the bed liner on the insides of this thing, because ये ऐसे अच्छा नहीं लगता है. And I'll show you more. Here you also get a light, as you can see. Windows for airflow, both the sides. And here also you have this window to talk to the driver or something, or in case you want to scream if you are being trapped inside.
बेड लगा के सो जाओ.
मेरे को तो यही सब चाहिए, सोना और सुलाना.
कंट्रोवर्सीज बहुत है तुम दोनों की लाइफ में.
So this is the liner I was talking about, and the height. Take a look. It doesn't fall on its own like it was happening in that one. And this is the liner. So वो खाली feel नहीं है.
Talking about the rear seat backrest is too upright. थोड़ा रिक्लाइन का फंक्शन देना चाहिए था ऐसा.
Because ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा upright, it's not comfortable at all.
And leg space is also average at the best. ये average भी नहीं.
पैर टच ही करेंगे.
कोई लंबा बैठेगा तो. We have दोनों साइड.
उसमें you can hang up to 4 kgs of load लिखा हुआ है.
इधर भी एक हुक था, 2 है.
वो इधर भी है.
And 3-point seat belt.
Grab handle over here.
ओ हाँ, एक ट्रक में रियर एसी है पर रियर चार्जर नहीं है.
हाँ मैं वही. आर्म रेस्ट भी है ट्रक में with cup holders.
लग्जरी ट्रक.
You get a hidden storage compartment over here. You can pull this lever and the seat opens up. और ये रहा hidden storage. ज़्यादा डीप नहीं है, ज़्यादा बड़ा भी नहीं है.
गुजरात के लोग दमन जाने के लिए हाइलक्स खरीदेंगे अब.
इसी बहाने सेल्स बढ़ेंगे Hilux की. उस साइड भी सेम ही है. तो 2 स्पेस है आपके पास स्टोरेज की.
अरे टूल किट.
टूल के
ये हाइड्रोलिक जैक आता है ये गाड़ी में.
ज़रूरत भी है.
हाँ ज़रूरत भी है वजन देख के.
So talking about the interiors of the vehicle, the steering wheel, the gauge cluster, everything is exactly like what you get in the Fortuner. This is your cruise control toggle over here. Then the infotainment screen is not good enough when you see the pricing of this segment. These are the air conditioning controls. This is the switch to engage 4x4. Then this is the hill descent control. This is the traction off button. This is the rear differential lock, and a USB port over here, an aux cable, two 12-volt power sockets, cup holders. This is the eco mode, power mode, and a little bit of storage space over here. Then you get decent space over here and a full 100-watt charger over here. Look at that. This one is the cooled glove box, and the second glove box. Then you get two cup holders on either sides.
बियर रखना.
यहाँ कहाँ रखोगे बियर?
अरे क्यों रखनी है? ड्राइवर थोड़ी रख सकता है. ड्रिंक एंड ड्राइव प्रमोट करते हुए शर्म आ रही है? 2% भी शर्म आ रही है ड्रिंक एंड ड्राइव प्रमोट करते हुए?
मैं मेरा पानी का ग्लास रख रही थी वहाँ.
कोई नहीं, इस साइड रख लेंगे.
Then the auto dimming mirror, sunglass holder, map lights, and that's about it.
भाई कितना ऊपर जाके खुलता है. So this is the famous engine, 2.8 liter turbo diesel engine making 204 horsepower and full 500 Nm torque. ये चलाते हुए फील होता है. One thing I don't like about Toyota, ये AdBlue भरने का इधर क्यों देते हो? दुनिया की सारी गाड़ी उधर वो पेट्रोल टैंक में दे रही है, तुम इधर क्यों देते हो? Also many Fortuner owners are facing issues with AdBlue. Tank is too small. Generally the AdBlue should be filled from service to service. ये तो 3-4 हज़ार किलोमीटर में खत्म हो जाता है. But I have heard the tank on Hilux is larger. So a Hilux owner can confirm कि tank range कितनी है AdBlue की.
People my height may have a lot of issues while they open and close the bonnet because it's huge यार. मतलब हाथ ही नहीं पहुँचता वहाँ तक. Hilux is powered by a 2.8 liter engine which produces 204 horsepower and 500 Newton meters of torque. The torque is available low down and you can actually feel it. And this is a typical Toyota engine. I love it. This vehicle can do some serious high speeds and it's just crazy and I love it. So there are two modes, Eco and Power mode, and you can easily differentiate between modes. Once you switch it to Power mode, you can actually feel that instant torque. It's crazy. The Hilux gets the 6-speed torque converter gearbox. Although it's smooth, but you can feel the lag while downshifting. Although the powertrain is same as the Fortuner, but what it misses out on are the paddle shifters, which you get in the Fortuner. And if you want to switch gears manually, you have to do it from the gear knob.
Since the Hilux comes with the leaf spring suspension, at lower speeds the ride quality is a bit bumpy. You can feel the jerks quite often, but as you pick up the pace, it becomes planted and feels stable. It doesn't feel as if you would lose control or it would go haywire. Braking of the Hilux is not really appreciably good, but it's not bad either. It's good for the vehicle of this category, a pickup truck. As a lot of you have already asked us about the fuel efficiency figures of the Hilux, it gives a maximum of around 9 to 10 kilometers to a liter, not more than that, because we have driven it on highways, in the off-road track, and even in the city conditions, and the best we could extract was 9.3 kilometers to a liter.
The biggest thing which I don't like about Hilux is the parking ability. पहली बार जीवन में लगे कोई गाड़ी में 360 कैमरा होना चाहिए था. Vehicle gets front and rear parking sensors, but 360 camera is a must. Also the length, especially the back end, is too long, and steering being heavy. Turning radius is huge. ऐसा first lane से आपने turn मारना शुरू किया तो शायद third lane में जाके ये मुड़ने वाली है. What I counted as a con कि इसका steering is hard. The same steering being a hydraulic unit, even if you pick up the pace a bit, is very communicative, and I like the feel and feedback on offer. मजा आ जाती है, confidence आता है गाड़ी पे high speed पे. Talking about the driving position I found honestly a bit awkward, क्योंकि ऐसा SUV है तो ऊपर बैठना पसंद है. अब ऊपर बैठ रहा हूँ तो सर ऑलमोस्ट छत में जा रहा है, and this mirror is a bit in my sight. I don't know if others have felt this, but I felt this. I have the same issue with the Fortuner, so it's based on the same vehicle, so good traits तो रहेंगे.
So honestly, I personally loved the Hilux because I anyways like SUVs and high vehicles. So मेरे लिए Hilux is a perfect match, and the fact that it's a pickup truck, but it's a livable vehicle. So I personally loved it.
I personally wanted to buy. मेरे को बहुत अर्ज आ रहा था कि थार बेच के Hilux ले लूं. जैसे ही पार्किंग करने गया सारा कीड़ा मर गया. But I still have a place in my heart for the Hilux.
100%.
ऐसे और प्रोडक्ट्स आने चाहिए इंडिया में.
और वो indestructible वाला वीडियो देखने के बाद तो और कॉन्फिडेंस आता है.
वही. Enthusiasts will be happy.
Yeah.
And my opinion would be that ये actually बहुत interesting vehicle है. I found it really good because being a sedan lover, having something that feels rugged and indestructible, as these guys already said, तो वो एक बहुत tension free thing रहता है when you take it out anywhere, be it good roads, bad roads. You just don't have to worry about anything, and that's the thing I love the most about Hilux.
Okay guys, I hope you like this video, and we'll see you all next time. Bye.
Bye bye.